Namaste. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics, and everything around you is numbers. These are the words spoken by the human calculator Shakuntala Devi. And mathematics can be applied over various situations, and without the usage of mathematics, the world is not useful. Today, as part of Art Integrated Project, we the students of class 10th B from JME Mysuru, Punyashri, Ananya, Yukta and Sahana, we are going to tell you about Pythagoras theorem. And first, let us take a look into the Pythagoras and his theorem. The Pythagoras theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. That is, a square plus b square gives c square. The Pythagoras theorem is one of the most fundamental theorem in the case of geometry, which is very useful for the construction of building and also for the GPS monitoring systems. The Pythagoras theorem is named after Pythagoras, a famous Greek philosopher and mathematician, and he is born in 6th century BC, but extensions of Pythagoras theorem started very early in Babylonia in 1800 BC. 15 sets of numbers satisfy the formula, and according to the historians, the Egypt surveyors used the Pythagoras theorem, that is Pythagorean triplet 3, 4 and 5 for the surveying many distances, and they make 12 knots out of rope, which later gets tied in the form of triangle having side 3, 4 and 5 units, which is according to the converse of Pythagoras theorem becomes right triangle and also form corner of square. And now let's do an activity to prove Pythagoras theorem.
In this activity, our aim is to verify Pythagoras theorem by paper cutting and pasting method. For this activity, we should know the area of square, that is side square. The materials required for this activity are 4 different color papers. Here I have taken red, yellow, green and blue. We also require a scale, a pencil, a pair of scissors and a Fevicol. Now let us start with the activity. Firstly, we'll draw a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B on a red paper. Let AB is equal to A units. Here we will consider A is equal to 4 centimeters and base BC is equal to B, say 3 centimeter, and AC is equal to C, which will be 5 centimeters. Now paste yellow square on AB of A units and paste green square on BC of side B units. Next, paste blue square on AC of side C units. Now, to prove this theorem, we'd make 8 identical replica of triangle ABC on red colored paper and one more replica of each colored square. Out of these replicas, we will take 4 red triangles, 1 yellow square and 1 green square. Now we will arrange these squares and triangles in such a way that we get a bigger square. Now we can notice that the side of a square formed is A plus B units. For the next figure, we will take the remaining 4 red right angle triangles and 1 blue square. Let us arrange these figures. First, we will tilt the square in this way and then arrange the triangles like this. Once again, we can notice that we have a perfect square with side a plus b units. From this activity, we can observe that the area of square in second figure is equal to the area of square in the third figure. That is, the area of 4 red triangles plus area of yellow square plus area of green square is equal to the area of 4 red triangles plus area of blue square. That is equal to area of yellow square plus area of green square is equal to the area of blue square, which is nothing but a square plus b square is equal to c square. From this, we can conclude that in right angle triangle ABC, if angle B is equal to 90 degree, then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence, we have proved the Pythagoras theorem by paper cutting and pasting method. Thank you.